Welcome back students. Here I am again, Kanika Tripathi, your English teacher, and in today's lesson we will learn a very interesting topic, that is pronouns. Okay, now all of you just take attention. And read this sentence. Karan is my friend. Okay, so there is a person, Karan, who is my friend. And Karan likes cricket very much. Okay, now there are two sentences. Karan is my friend. Karan likes cricket very much. So in both these sentences, we are talking about the same person who is Karan. So we can write it. Karan is my friend. He likes cricket very much. So now observe both the sentences. Here we replace the word Karan with he. Okay, the meaning remains the same. Okay, here we were talking about Karan, and in the other sentence we are still talking about Karan, that he likes cricket very much. But what did we do? We just replace this word Karan, that is a noun, with he. Okay, we know that Karan is the name of a person and the name of a person is called a noun. But what is he? What will be called he in grammatical terms? So in today's class we will learn about this. What we call to such types of words that we place, okay, that we use in place of a noun. So as we saw in the example, such words that we use in place of a noun are called pronouns. So, the words that are used in place of a noun are called pronouns. Okay, yes, and such words are I, he, she, etc. Okay, so the words that are used in place of noun are called pronouns. Okay, after definition of pronoun, we will learn the types of pronouns. So basically, there are 6 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. So there are 6 types of pronoun. Now we will understand these types one by one. So first there are personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are basically the pronouns that refer to any specific or any particular person or thing. Okay, so it refers to a particular person or thing. Okay, just look at example. If I say Sita is an intelligent girl, and she scores good marks in exams. Okay, so here the word Sita is a noun. We are talking about Sita, that Sita is an intelligent girl, and she. So here we are talking about a specific person who is Sita. So Sita is an intelligent girl and she scores good marks in exams. Because she is an intelligent girl, so she scores good marks in exam. So here we were talking about the specific person, that is Sita. So this pronoun is referred to a specific person. That's why it is a personal pronoun. Now see the next type, that is possessive pronouns. So what are possessive pronouns? Just see the word possessive in its name. So it shows the possession. Okay, if a pronoun take the place of a noun to show the belonging or the possession, it will be called a possessive pronoun. Pronoun takes place of a noun to show belonging or possession. It means it shows that something or someone belongs to the other one. So I can understand by example. Like, a big house. Okay, so this is a sentence that I have a big house. It means I am the owner of a big house. This big house belongs to me. So I will say that the big house is mine. Okay, so here this one, mine, showing the belongingness or the possession of me over this house. Okay, it means that I own this house. This big house relates to me, belongs to me. So the word mine is showing the possession. Or like you have a blue pen. Okay, you have a blue pen. So you can say this blue pen is yours. Okay, so this word yours shows the possession of you over this blue pen. It means this blue pen relates to you, it belongs to you. So such type of words like mine, yours, hers, his, ours are called possessive pronouns. Now we will move further to the next type of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So, what are demonstrative? Describe the picture. So it's looking like a building. So it's a building. This is a huge building. Okay, so here this one. Here the word this is a demonstrative pronoun because it is pointing at this building. Okay, so these are the books that you read yesterday. So here the word these is pointing at the books, that these are the books that you read yesterday. Okay, it means these are the books that you have read yesterday. So the this and these are demonstrative pronouns because the both words are pointing at the things. what are demonstrative pronouns? If the pronoun is used to point at person or thing, is called demonstrative pronouns. Okay? As this, these, that, those. Okay? Such words are demonstrative pronouns. These are the examples of demonstrative pronouns. Now see the next type of pronoun, that is interrogative pronouns. So what are interrogative pronouns? Basically, these pronouns are used to ask questions. So, interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Example, who is this guy at the door? Okay, there is someone at your door and you don't know who is he. So you are asking the question. For asking the question, you use this word who. Like, who is this guy at the door? So such words that are used to ask the questions are called interrogative pronouns. So such type of question, for example, what, who, which, whom, etc. are the examples of interrogative pronouns. Now move further to the next type. Okay, so the next type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Okay, so what are reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are basically the pronouns that take place of a noun to show the relation of that pronoun with the noun that have already mentioned earlier. So it takes place of a noun to show its relation to a noun or pronoun that has been mentioned earlier. Okay, just try to understand by the example. Ravi had completed his assignment himself. Okay, so here we are talking about Ravi. Ravi is a noun. Okay, so here we are talking about Ravi, that Ravi had completed his assignment himself. That means he didn't take the help of anyone. He had completed his assignment himself. So this word himself is used for Ravi. It means that this word shows its relation to a noun that has already mentioned. Okay, that was mentioned earlier that Ravi had completed his assignment himself. So this word shows its relation with the pronoun that has already mentioned in the sentence. So it is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, so for singular we use himself, herself, myself, itself. Okay, and with plural nouns, we use ourselves, themselves. Yourself. Okay, but if we are talking about using singular, then you will say yourself. Okay, so with singular we use reflexive pronouns like himself, herself, myself, itself, yourself, and with plural we use reflexive pronouns like ourselves, themselves, yourself. Okay, now move to the next type of pronoun. That is relative. Okay. Now first see the sentence. These are the boys who are selected for the play. Okay, now read this sentence carefully. These are the boys. Means we are talking about the boys. These are the boys who are selected for the play. So these boys are selected for the play. There a play is going on or the play or a play will be held. So these boys are selected for that. These are the boys and these boys are selected for the play. Now this word who. Okay, so this word who relate this with this. Okay, so this word who is relating both these information. Okay, so if a word relate a word or a group of words to a noun or pronoun that is used before. Okay, so see here the word who is relating this group of words to this noun that is used before it. Okay, here the word boy is noun. And the word who is relating this group of words to the boys that is used before who. So if a word relate a word or group of words noun or pronoun used before it, it's called a relative pronoun. Okay, and this is the example of it. Here the word who is relative pronoun because it is relating this group of word to this noun. Okay, so these were the 6 types of pronoun. So hope you all have understood it well. So in today's lesson, we learned about the pronouns and the types of it. Hope you all have understood the pronoun and its types very well. Now I will rest my lesson here. Thank you for joining. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care.